Hmm. It is looking good, and if we will possess it, okay, okay, I'm not possessing it. Let me click it over it, and I will click on auto possess player 0. I'm doing this just for now. Okay, the camera is working fine, but I'm pressing the button, but it is not working. I'm moving the mouse, but that is not working because we haven't set up any bindings. It is already 21. I will just do go with the blueprint, and we will do the bindings later. So inside the mesh, go to the skeleton, click right, create the NMBP. Uh, NMBP, so A, BP, BPA. This is the standards. BP is for blueprint, A for the animation underscore. Uh, okay.